Hey, welcome to UK Wildcrafts. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a fire from using green wood, and that is just living wood. You can use pretty much any tree for this, but hazel is one of the best ones that I've found. And it's a handy one to know because if it's been raining and you can't find any dry tinder anywhere, you can just go up to a hazel tree or most trees and get tinder from that. So what I'm going to do is just select a branch. Doesn't matter too much about the thickness. I usually go for around the thickness of my thumb to double that size. So about that length will be fine. So you just want to cut off any excess branches, and then with your knife just take off the outer bark. So you've taken off most of the bark. Now what you want to do is rest one end on the floor, the other end just in your armpit, and get your knife. Now this time you don't want to be using the blade, you want to be using the spine, and you're just running that up and down the stick like that. And what you'll see is you'll start to get some really thin bits of wood coming off like sawdust. So just keep doing that until you've got quite a nice big bundle of it. So that should be enough now. The reason you want to be using green wood for this, because it's much easier to take the shavings off. If you're using dead wood, although that's usually better for getting a fire going, dead wood is really not as easy to get the scrapings off. So you see I've got a nice amount there, and now I'm going to go and dry this. So what I'm doing now is just taking the shavings and putting them on branches so they can dry off. Obviously if it's too windy this isn't going to work, they'll just blow off. So what you can do then is just put them on some sticks on the ground and they will eventually dry out. But this is the best way if you can, because the air passing through will dry these off nicely. So while I was waiting for the tinder to dry, I went out and collected some wood for the fire, and I got the fire ready. So as you always should when you're building a fire, I cleared the dead leaves from the ground and cleared it down to the bare earth, to the soil, so it doesn't let the fire spread. And then I put some twigs down and then some dead tree bark on top of that so I can build my fire there. It's a nice platform to build from, because if you get an ember and then it hits the floor which is still wet, that ember will go out straight away.